faham. Rephrase tu biarlah rephrase you sendiri faham. Okay, dengan harapan mereka pun akan faham lah apa yang you akan sampaikan. Okay, that would be my advice. Is it okay guys?
Okay.
Okay, so since we have done discussing about assignment 1, so boleh tak minggu depan media straight kepada discussing assignment number 2?
Boleh madam.
Okay, boleh kita tengok balik kejap assignment number 2. Reflective paper. Betul reflective paper. Kejap dia open kejap. Ni ada juga yang tak masuk kelas lagi ni. Lagi 2 orang tak masuk kelas. Mereka tak tahulah mana pergi kawan-kawan awak ni. Agaknya dia berterawih sampai tertidur sampai ke petang ni bila rasa ni. Okay, yang untuk reflective paper pun orang yang sama juga sama ada 2 ataupun 3 orang. Okay, so dia punya isu dia panjang sikit dekat sini. Okay, dia punya isu ni a bit panjang sikit kat sini. So, this is more towards you need to write up about the articles on the marketing channel, the impacts and the challenges of the COVID-19. Nampak tak nampak Okay, COVID-19 on the environmentals of the channel participants and the facilitating agencies in Malaysia. Okay, so yang ni lah dia some of the things yang you all kena buat. Okay, kalau macam ni you tak perlu nak cari artikel dan sebagainya, tapi you kena mencari semua jawapan lah. Okay, untuk kesemua soalan ditanya. Okay, tapi tak nak kita kena ada citation juga. Okay, ada conclusion, references dan sebagainya. Okay, so I bet that kita tengok sikit soalan dia. Okay, channel participants. Okay, facilitating agency. Maybe macam new things lah. Nanti kejap lagi Anda akan ajar what is a facilitating agency. Okay, channel participants referring to the channel members. Okay, describe the environments of the channel. Okay, yang ni dia nak tengok lah before and after COVID-19 tu macam mana. Okay, nanti ni kita akan discuss in detail by next week. Okay, so I believe that this word pun macam you are very familiar with environmentals. Okay, environmentals in marketing similar je, economic, competitive, social, teknologi, legal, social. Okay, yang ni lah semualah yang kita pernah belajar last semester. And also, okay, yang ni benda yang baru. Channel design, channel structure ni is something yang maybe you are not sure what this one is all about. Okay, next week I will be discussed during tutorial class. Okay, so untuk chapter 1 ada beberapa perkara lah yang madam boleh jelaskan untuk you punya assignment reflective paper. Okay, is it okay guys? Ni adalah dalam group yang sama tau. Untuk pairing ni, Mira nak tanya, korang satu group seorang, 2 orang ke 3 orang
3.
3? Yang lain? 3 Kalau betul semua 3 boleh tak buat thumbs up dekat madam? Okay, right. So I believe that most of you have 3 members in the group. Thank you so much. Okay, so without any further delay, we start with the chapter 1. So kalau macam kita habis awal, boleh tak madam berhenti awal? Ke you all pun sibuk nak pergi bazar? Ada
Boleh
ada
madam,
bazar
boleh.
ke angkat tangan?
Boleh.
Bulan-bulan puasa ni, pasal tak? Masa-masa semua tak larat. Termasuklah madam lah, memang tak larat. Daripada pagi sampai sekarang, ya Allah, lembek je. Itu pun tak pergi, itu ni adalah office je ni. Okay, dalam keadaan sejuk, dalam aircon dan sebagainya. Tu belum lagi kalau macam kena berjalan, pergi ke kelas kan. Mau pingsan rasanya. Okay guys, without any further delay, okay, I did discuss the latest my slide. Okay, this one is a chapter 1 which is understanding marketing channel. Just a little bit introductions about what is the marketing channel is all about. Okay, this is the learning objective. We learn about the growing importance of the marketing channel, some definitions of the marketing channel. Okay, what is the marketing mix under a channel? And also we learn a little bit about the the principles of the specializations, divisions of labor, and also contact toward efficiency. And also we learn a little bit about the differences between the concepts of the channel structure and also facilitating agency. Madam tak suka guna perkataan ancillary structure tapi more using more words on the facilitating agency. So most of the questions kalau soalan yang selalu tanya ni dia. Soalan yang selalu tanya, why the growing importance of the marketing channel? So this one is more to why marketing channel is very important nowadays. Okay, the first one because of the explosions of the information technology and also e-commerce. Okay, Madam, dia ada 4 je kat sini, so Madam akan explain one by one. The first one, explorations of the IT and also e-commerce. I believe that nowadays most of you notice everything, everyone have a smartphones. Since you have a smartphones, any transaction you can do online through your own smartphone, right? So most of you mesti akan membeli juga dekat Shopee, dekat Lazada. Which one that you are preferred? Shopee or Lazada, guys? Or TikTok?
TikTok.
Okay, Madam bagi option yang lain TikTok or Shopee?
TikTok.
Why?
Sebab
Murah ke?
TikTok ada video.
Oh, TikTok ada video. Lepas tu lagi murah ke daripada Shopee?
Sikit lah.
Sikit lah tapi
Kurang je.
lebih kurang je kan. Kalau macam Shopee sebab dia ada banyak macam voucher, ada free shipping, ada dapat cash rebate dan sebagainya. So dia most likely quite similar, right?
Yes.
Kan. Macam Madam tak tahulah. Once a while Madam pernah juga membeli kat TikTok tapi macam kadang-kadang tu tak tahulah. Tak apa nak suka sangat kot dekat TikTok. Tapi suka je tengok-tengok orang kat situ kan. Tengok-tengok orang kan. Sebab macam ada banyak viral video dekat sana. So most of the time will buy all my things through a Shopee compared to the Lazada. Tak tahulah macam Lazada tu dia quite similar dia punya interface but however dia punya I think because of the promotion kot. Okay, Shopee sebagainya kan. Okay, so that's makes the reasons. Okay, so channel is a very important if a company go for the online. Betul tak? Okay, so we learn two things here. Under explorations of the information technology ni, maka a company they are more looking forward using this term, disintermediaries and also re-intermediaries. Disintermediaries referring to the reduction numbers of the intermediaries. Okay, maksudnya adalah pasal tak kita ni channel structure daripada manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer and also consumer. Re-intermediaries ni maksud dia adalah apabila manufacturer ni dia membuang, okay, dia telah eliminate dia punya channel members, for example wholesaler and also retailer. Maknanya dia menjual produk secara direct channel from manufacturer to consumer. This is we call as the disintermediaries because we want to reduce the numbers of the intermediaries. Okay, so bila kita dah reduce kan numbers of the intermediaries, normally manufacturer will use ataupun a company will use online platform to sell their product. This is we call it as a re-intermediaries. Okay, so a third party which is an online platform ni, we known them as a re-intermediation ataupun re-intermediaries. For example, company can choose Shopee, eBay, macam dulu ialah Yahoo lah kan. Tapi sekarang more kepada yang you all sebut lah, TikTok, Shopee, Lazada, IG pun macam dah jarang. Kat Facebook pun it depends on the a target customer. Okay, tapi kadang-kadang I notice one thing lah macam Madam itself, bila Madam tengok some of the promotion to the Shopee, nanti Madam akan sibuk tak dekat-dekat Madam tengok promotion dekat Facebook, tapi Madam akan sibuk juga mencari information dekat Shopee. So for me, Shopee is the place where you can find anything that you want to buy. It's something like that, similar to the TikTok. Okay, so all the online platforms, this is we call as the re-intermediations ataupun re-intermediaries. Is it okay, guys? Okay, so this is a part of the rules why a lot of company using IT. Okay, so like I mentioned, because the e-commerce, m-commerce, what is the difference between e-commerce and also m-commerce, guys? EMF. F-commerce ni refer to the Facebook Commons. Okay, sebab kita boleh membeli secara atas talian melalui Facebook. What the difference between electronic commons and also m-commons? Anyone knows what the difference, guys? Hello guys, are you still with me, guys?
Tak tahu.
M-commerce tu mobile tu kat phone
Thank you so much. Mobile commerce maknanya you membeli produk melalui you punya smartphone. Kalau macam electronic commerce ni, you membeli produk melalui you punya laptop, PC, tablet dan sebagainya. Okay. Tapi macam rasanya tablet bolehlah kot more kepada electronic commerce ni lah. Okay. Kalau mobile, boleh tak tablet tu fall under smartphone? Ke dia fall lebih kurang boleh lah kot, tapi macam mobile ni more kepada mobile lah, your own smartphones. Okay, and then nowadays because of the growth technology, okay, most of the company memang kita nak grow, kita nak expand to the new market. We want to gain more market share. We want to gain more profit revenue. That's reason why a lot of company they choose for the online platforms. Okay, so that's reason why a lot of company they are choosing macam channel members under re-intermediations, which is they are choosing an online platform to sell their product directly to the customer. Okay, the second point is a greater difficulty in gaining sustainable competitive advantage. Guys, what is a competitive advantage, guys? What is the competitive advantage for the channel? Okay, kita medium ubah sikit ayat. Apakah competitive advantage untuk produk? Okay, kita tengok produk dulu baru kita pergi kepada channel. Anyone?
Dia macam dapat orang kata kelebihan macam kepercayaan dekat customer tu lagi tinggi lah. Maksudnya customer terus lagi percaya produk dia macam tu.
Okay, competitive advantage ni you melihat ada satu perkara, ada value added dekat dalam produk tu menyebabkan produk tu dia sentiasa dia punya sales dia dekat atas. You rasa apakah dia? Contoh macam iPhone. iPhone already achieve the sustainable competitive advantage because iPhone have their own iOS kan. Okay, so kalau untuk produk kita nampak, okay, kalau macam untuk services kita nampak contohnya macam Starbucks. Why Starbucks dia walaupun harga dia mahal, okay, produk-produk dia macam bukanlah untuk orang B40 kan, dia muka pada M40 and above. Tapi kenapa macam Starbucks, Coffee Bean, dia berada dekat atas, dia dah achieve the competitive advantage because dia punya service tu top notch. Okay, so maknanya dia punya service, dia punya produk dia premium quality. Okay, so benda-benda tu yang value added to the service yang menyebabkan orang sentiasa macam nak dia punya services. And also I think most of you yang coffee lover ni macam madam kan, memang tidak akan sentiasa lah membeli Starbucks lah, something like that. Tapi since kita tengah boycott Starbucks kan, Starbucks, Coffee Bean semua produk Israel ni, memang madam minum kopi cap jantan je lah. Okay, ada kat rumah ni kan, kopi daripada Melaka, hang tuah lah dan sebagainya kan, something like that. Okay, so when we talking about channels, okay, how to make the channel is achieve the competitive advantage is when you can access the product easily. Maknanya apabila kalau macam kita nak tengok channel tu bagus ke tak bagus, dia achieve competitive advantage ataupun tidak apabila you as a customer, you want to buy the product easily. You can get the product easily. For example, you can get the product through online platform. For me, kalaulah company ni dia ada these kinds of the access. Okay, macam kita belajar, we have a direct channel, we have a indirect channel, right? Okay, some of the product you can buy through online. Some of the product you can buy through this retail store. So if company have this two method, they are using an omni-channel, I bet that company already achieve the competitive advantage in terms of the placing their product. Because kenapa Mary cakap macam tu? Sebabnya kalau boleh produk tu tak kisah dekat online ke, dekat retail store ke, tapi easy access to the customer. Okay? Tapi yang susah nak access, yang susah nak dapat produk tu yang dia akan jadi macam difficulty to gaining the competitive advantage in placing the product. Okay, yang ni dia punya explanation dia. Okay, number 3 is the growing power of the distributor, especially retailers in the marketing channel. Okay, so the powerful retailer act as a gatekeeper to the consumer market. Okay, in the channel members, okay, siapa yang the most powerful? The most powerful is a retailer. Why? Retailer ni dia berperanan sebagai gatekeeper. Gatekeeper ni apa? Dia act as a buying agent for the customer rather than a selling agent for the manufacturer. Why? Retailers dia akan buy in bulk daripada manufacturer. So kalau apa saja produk, okay, ini dia punya explanation in detail what is a gatekeeper. For example, macam gatekeeper like a Walmart. Okay, they have a power to decide which product they will stock and sell in their store and their platform. Gatekeeper ni, macam retailer macam Walmart ni, apa saja produk yang dibeli daripada manufacturer, whatever product that Walmart buy through their partners, which is a manufacturer, that product will sold out in their store. So customer akan beli produk apa yang saja berada dekat Walmart. Kalau macam produk tu tak wujud dekat Walmart, adakah customer akan tahu kewujudan produk tersebut? No, they do not know. So the reason why retailers dia act as a gatekeeper, okay, to the customer. So kalau produk tu retailer stock in their retail store, okay, customer know the product and they will buy the product. If retailers not buy the product, not stock the product in the retailer store, so normally customer do not know about the product. Okay, so that's we call it as a gatekeeper. Okay, so kalau kita tambah sikit kat sini, if they choose to carry out the product, it can be easily accessed by the customer. However, if the retailer decide not to carry the product, it can be much more harder, okay, for the product to reach the potential buyer. This is we call as a gatekeeper. Okay, so ini dia punya explanation in detail, lebih kurang je macam yang ni. Okay, next, number 4 is the need to reduce distribution cost. Okay, I know that most of the company, they have difficulties, they have financial constraint, especially in terms of the distribution cost. Okay, so distribution cost is referring to examples of the distribution, macam logistik department kan. Kalau macam dekat dalam company, kita nak buat penghantaran produk company kepada retail, kepada customer for example. So dia akan melibatkan logistik cost dan sebagainya. So this is become the huge burden to the organisation because they incurred a lot of cost. So apa yang company nak sekarang adalah kalau boleh dia nak reduce the distribution cost, dia nak reducekan logistic cost tu. So how to do that? Okay, so how to do is a company need to restructure program in the organisation. So how to restructure? Company need to restructure in terms of the financial expenditure, the staffing. Kenapa staffing pun involved dekat dalam distribution cost ni? Okay, you tengok dekat dalam department, kita ada logistik department, kita ada transportation department kan. Okay, kalau macam terlalu ramai staff, okay, kita akan incur cost untuk bayar gaji. Okay, so that is reason why some of the companies kan, dia tak nak tanggung bebanan untuk membayar gaji, nak membeli lori dan sebagainya. So some of the company dia outsource the transportation services. For example, dia pergi hantar je dekat courier company. Okay, kalau macam ada produk-produk yang nak dijual kepada nak di shipping, okay, dia pergi je dekat JNT tu. Lagi senang. Rather than dia nak hire, dia nak beli lori, nak buat maintenance dan sebagainya, dia will be incur a cost. So apa dia boleh buat adalah, why not outsource? It's something like that. Is it simple? Is it okay guys?
Okay ada.
Okay. Rasanya Medan dah explain senang yang mungkin apa benda ni Kalau tak faham tanya tau. Okay, next. Okay, so we have done yang untuk 4 perkara di atas ni, which is why the growing importance of the marketing channel. Okay, this one. Explorations of the IT, the greater difficulties in gaining the sustainable competitive advantage, the growing power of the retailers, especially retailers in the marketing channel, and also the need to reduce the distribution cost. Yang ni kan, kalau you tanya Madam, this is very important for chapter 1. Antara banyak-banyak chapter kan, yang selalu yang compulsory tanya dah chapter 1. Okay, so tak nak chapter 1 ni, Meda akan explain semua key point yang penting lah untuk korang semua. Okay, next is what is the marketing channel? Ada juga some of the question they ask you about the definitions of the marketing channel. Nak tak nak, this is something that you need to remember and please memorize. This is the definition. External contractual organizations that management operate to achieve its distribution objective. External is to refer to the channel members because as you can see, this is outside the firm. Okay, so channel members, they are not part of the organization. Okay, so the reason why they become the external, orang luar, outsider. Okay, so siapakah external ni will be the channel members because channel member is not part of the company members. Okay, contractual organization is a refer to those firms who ataupun parties who are involved in a negotiatory functions. Siapakah orang-orang yang involved di dalam negotiation functions? Okay, so negotiation function including buying, selling and also transferring title to the product or services. Siapakah orang-orang dia? Ni dia, channel members. Okay, nanti Meda akan ajar sedikit what is a transferring title. Okay. So operates is a refer to management of the firm is directly involved in the process of the channel structure. Kenapa dia kata kat sini operate ni referring kepada management of the company? Okay, I give you example. Okay, so as a company also directly involved with the channel. Why? Because company, they also need to decide what product that they need to sell. Okay, how to sell the product by choosing the store. Either they go for the online, for the physical store, and also how they want to maintaining relationship with the channel members. So this is we call as the operate under the management. Sebab kita ingat macam channel members tu hanya channel members ada manufacturer, wholesaler, retailers. Tapi sebenarnya macam company pun they involve di dalam the process of the channel structure as well. Okay, and last but not least is a distribution objective. Okay, so every company they must have their own distribution objective. Okay, let's say Medan ambil example kat sini sebab Medan yang ni kat sini tak boleh nak tulis, Medan sambung kat sini continuous. If a company decide to want to reach a customer in a new country, so means that you want to expand your product and you want to go to globally for a new country. For example, you go for the Singapore, Brunei, Indonesia and etc. So your distribution objective tu dia akan berubah. Apa dia? You punya objektif dia adalah maybe you nak buat collaborations with the international shipping company. Okay, dia akan berubah lah. Apabila objektif awak yang ni, dia punya implementations in order to achieve objective will be the difference. And also if the company want to sell more product online, okay, they might change either they go for the website ataupun work with the online marketplace, for example Shopee, Lazada and etc. in order to increase the sales. Okay guys, that would be the definitions of the marketing channel. Okay, what is a channel members? So basically channel members ni, channel manager ni adalah anyone in the firms who are involved with the marketing channel decision, we call them as a channel manager. Normally kan channel manager ni lah yang akan uruskan retail retail shop yang mana yang mereka nak temburi pasaran. Dekat mana, which area, berapa banyak produk nak supply dekat retail tersebut and etc. So that will be the channel members responsibility. Okay, so next we go to how does marketing channel strategy relate to the rest of the marketing mix? Okay, so this one kita tengok for piece in terms of the product. Okay, what are the challenges for the product basically? I think the most challenges for the product is to maintain their competitive advantage. Let's say macam iPhone itself. Even though iPhone have their own iOS, but I believe that one day tak semestinya iPhone tu akan sentiasa berada di atas kan. Okay, dia akan turun juga kalau dia tak try, dia tak figure out what are the new thing that they want to offering to their customers. Okay, so for me it's a very difficult to get ataupun hold the competitive advantage. For example, in terms of the quality, features and also design of the product. Take it one things lah in terms of the features. Okay, nowadays everyone macam tak carry your own digital camera kan. Everyone is carry your own smartphone to use your camera kan. Okay, rather than you need to bring two things, digital camera and also a smartphone. Lain lah kalau macam you ni memang photographer. Tapi kalau macam madam sendiri, madam dah malas nak carry madam punya digital camera madam yang sebesar gabak tu kan. Madam dah jual pun yang tu. Okay, so macam mana features kamera tu makin lama dia makin cantik, nak bokeh lah apa dan sebagainya. Okay, that will be the thing, the challenge for the company in terms of the product. How about in terms of pricing? Okay, pricing is a war. Okay, pricing war among the competitors. It's not easy to maintain the sustainable the pricing among the competitors. Sometimes kalau macam harga produk awak ni macam too expensive, akan ada orang yang akan reduce the price and they are better in terms of selling the product. So nanti apabila kompetitor ni boleh berlawan in terms of the pricing, so you cannot keep your position as a number one in the marketplace. Possibility you akan drop. Okay, so pricing is a very important. Okay, next part of the challenges as well. Okay, next in terms of the promotions. Why promotion is become a challenges? Because we know that promotion incur a lot of costs. Okay, they are very expensive and they are short-lived. Kalau you tengok promotion ni, adakah dalam masa dia buat promotion dalam masa setahun? Tak ada, mati kata lah. Company tu kan tak mampu nak tanggung untuk cost promotions. Okay, so normally promotion ni dia memang short term, 3 bulan, sebulan, paling lama pun macam 3 bulan lah. Jarang lah buat 3 bulan, buat promotion sebulan ke 2 bulan sekarang ni. Okay, lain lah kalau macam we go for the online promotion. That would be the game changes. Okay, and last but not least, in terms of the challenges for the distributions. Okay, the challenges for distribution for the company is, kalau you tengok kat sini kan, need marketing channel support each others. Kalau you nampak kat sini kan, the bigger challenges for the distribution ataupun the channel member is how they want to supporting each others. For example macam manufacturer, wholesaler dan retailers ni, macam mana they want, sebab diorang ni depending each others. They need to maintain a good relationship if they want to gain more profits, in their lines. Kalau dia tak maintaining the relationship, kalau macam diorang bekerja sendiri, diorang takkan dapat profit yang banyak. So nak tak nak, manufacturer, wholesaler, retailers, they are need working together. Okay, the challenges is how they want to maintain the relationships. Okay, that will be the very difficult because they include a lot of three parties. Okay, macam mana kita nak menseragamkan ketiga-tiga parti ni untuk menjadi satu kepala? It's very difficult to do that. That's become the challenges for the channel marketing ataupun marketing channel. Okay, next. Okay, so rasanya dah experience sikit. Yang ni pun di antara yang selalu ditanya, marketing channel as a system. Why marketing channel as a system? Because manufacturer, wholesaler, retailers, consumer, they are depending each others. They are interrelated. Okay, mereka ni tak dapat dipisahkan. So reason why they are become a system. Okay, nampak kat sini the key to understand the existence of the intermediaries and the channel member, they are depending on each others. If manufacturers, dia senang dia. Kenapa dia katakan sistem adalah manufacturers, they need to understand what are the needs from their channel members. For example, wholesaler and also retailers. Okay, macam retailers, adakah retailers akan submit order yang sama? Adakah semua retailers akan submit order yang sama kepada manufacturer? Tak. Okay, contohnya macam retailers, contohnya macam dekat Aeon. Adakah Aeon akan submit order sama tak dengan Billion dekat Segamat ni? Lain Okay, sebab apa? Kalau macam kat Aeon, kita tengok dia besar. Possibility the numbers of the order much more higher. The amount of order bigger compared to the Billion in Segamat. Maybe the numbers of the order is smaller sikit lah. Okay, so manufacturer, they need to suit what are the requirements needed by the channel members. Okay, so nak tak nak macam every parties ni, they need to understand each others. Kena memenuhi kehendak apa yang mereka perlukan dan sebagainya. Sama jugalah macam kita as a customer kan. Kalau macam kita as a customer, we need something yang customized. Nak produk macam ni, nak services yang macam ni. Sama juga macam mana manufacturer melayan dia punya client dia. For example, wholesaler and also retailer, they need to customize their service according to the customer needs and want as well. Okay. So what the difference channel members, channel strategy and also logistic management. Okay, so under distribution ni kita ada dua. The first one is a channel strategy component. Next is the second one is a logistic management. Okay, apa beza dia adalah channel strategy are much more broader. Okay, compared to the logistic management. Okay, Mary explain yang untuk logistik dulu. Kita nampak je kata logistik, we know that logistic is referring to the transportations. Okay, we need to send our product in time dan sebagainya kan. That will be the logistic. Channel ni dia referring to daripada manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, dia punya basic konsep tu besar. Okay, rather than a logistic. Channel strategy, dia punya konsep much more broader compared to the logistic. Because logistic, they are focusing on make sure the product, the availabilities of the product to the customer. When they need to send or shipping the product to the customer. Itu je dia punya scope dia. Tapi channel strategi ni dia berbeza. Which is the incurred the entire process of setting up and operating the contractual organization that is responsible for meeting the firm distribution objective. So this one is a refer to daripada manufacturer sampailah consumer tau, dia punya proses dia. Bukannya daripada logistik kepada customer. Tak, dia punya proses dia daripada awal sampai akhir. That will be the difference between channel strategy and also logistic management. Okay, so this will be the differences. Okay, this one I hope that you can read by your own. You can more clearly see the differences between the logistic management and also the channel management. Okay, next we go to the direct distribution and also indirect distribution. So sebenarnya perkataan ni sama je. Direct channel and also indirect channel. So I believe that most of you are very familiar with the direct channel, right? Okay, so this is there is no intermediaries that incurs, okay, when the manufacturer sell the product direct to the end user or to the customer. So kita nampak kat sini manufacturer move product directly to the end customer. There is no party involved and normally this is we call as the process of the disintermediaries and also re-intermediaries. Okay, kalau indirect means that you are use the service of the intermediaries such as wholesaler and retailer. Sometimes you are using the agent in order to move the product to the end user. Okay, so under a channel, this is we call as a channel structure. Okay, tadi madam, you nak tahu kan what is a channel structure? Okay, so I have two division here. The first division is the channel structure for the customer. Customer marketing channel. This one is a business marketing channel. Tapi abaikanlah yang ni sebab kita belajar yang ni saja. Okay, so madam pergi more for the detail under channel structure for the consumer goods. Okay, yang ni masuk exam Okay, so under channel structure for the consumer, normally dia akan tanyalah what the difference between 2 level, 3 level, 4 level and also 5th level. Kenapa dia jadi 2 level kat sini? Because manufacturer satu, consumer satu. So this is we call as a 2 level up to the 5 level. Kalau 4 level, this is something yang you are very familiar with, which is we start with the manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer and also consumer. But under a 5th level, they have the agent. Guys, okay, make me wondering, what the difference between agent and also wholesaler? Anyone? Do you have any ideas what the difference between agent and also wholesalers?
Wholesaler tu macam sebuah tempat yang pegang barang. Tapi
Okay.
agent tu dia tak memiliki barang tu. Dia just pegang je.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, ingat tak ayat yang Medium sebut tadi, transferring title. Okay, this one. Transferring title to product. Okay, transferring title, kalau macam wholesaler dia transferring title to the product, maksud dia adalah wholesaler membeli produk daripada manufacturer. Maknanya manufacturer telah transfer title produk kepada wholesaler sebab wholesaler telah membeli produk daripada manufacturer. Okay, tetapi agents, adakah dia transferring title to the product? No. They are not transferring title to the product because agent dia hanya menjadi orang tengah perantara di antara manufacturer and also wholesaler. Okay, normally wholesaler akan tanya kepada agent, agent, cik agent, ada tak stok untuk 10,000 stokin stock dekat manufacturer? Ada, agent akan cakap ada. Okay, adakah agent tolong belikan? Tak, agent hanya submit order sahaja. Okay, so agent, apakah kelebihan agent di sini adalah mereka akan dapat commission from the manufacturer. They are not beli produk daripada manufacturer. Kalau beli produk dia akan jadi wholesaler. Agent ni tak, dia jadi agent, orang tengah saja. Okay, so agent they will get the commissions. Is it clear guys?
Clear, Madam.
Okay, yang ni kan selalu tanya tau what the difference between agent and also wholesaler. Okay, yang dapat commission agent saja. Wholesaler, retailer memang dia akan beli produk directly from the manufacturer. Dia akan buy in bulk. Agent tak. Okay, agent akan jadi orang tengah di antara wholesaler ataupun retailers. Okay, yang ni selalu keluar channel structure ni. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the scenario for this iPhone distribution channel. Okay, so manufacturer here is refer to the iPhone, which is a mobile phone service provider, which is and also service provider kat sini tak kisahlah telco kita apa-apa kat sini lah kan. For example macam Maxis, Digi and etc. Okay, so manufacturer especially macam iPhone, macam Apple's product iPhone ni, okay, they are using a direct channel and also indirect channel as well, right? Okay, so here, okay, please identify for me which one is the direct channel.
Madam ulang balik soalan boleh?
My question is, okay, so this is the structure for the iPhone. Direct channel and also indirect channel. Okay, which one is the direct channel? Among these components, this one or this one ke, yang mana satu direct channel?
Switch.
Pardon? Direct channel.
Apple.
Which one? Okay, my question is, guys. Okay, guys, my question is, which one is a direct channel? Which one is an indirect channel? Which components? Okay, this one is referring kepada siapa? This one is referring kepada siapa?
Yang belah kanan Yang Apple Online Store Company own tu ialah direct channel.
Okay, online
Yang-
online marketplace ni?
Mana? Online marketplace tu dia indirect sebab dia guna eBay.
Awak ni
Oh.
baru je media
Oh,
ajar.
sorry. Allah.
Okay, pasal tak online marketplace ni dia re-intermediaries, betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, so this both two Apple online store and also online marketplace, which is this is a part of the re-intermediaries ni. Okay, this is a part of the direct channel. Nampak tak garis putus-putus ni, these two one, they sell directly to the consumer. Okay, tapi this one, okay, is a indirect channel. Okay, dia menggunakan, I tak tahulah yang ni sebab Mena dapat daripada textbook kan, Mena tulis je lah Mena ambil je. Wholesaler Club, okay adalah Sam Club. I do not know, maybe macam dekat sana, diorang ada wholesaler kan. Okay, yang paling famous ialah Sam Club. Okay, diorang dapat authorized dealer daripada Apple untuk menjual iPhone. Similar to the Walmart, similar to the Switch and also similar to the Best Buy. Okay, so this is we call as a indirect. Tapi kan kalau macam yang ni, betul lah. Apple Retail Store ni ikutkan, kalau macam Switch, kalau macam dia ada, dia boleh jadi ke sini juga sebenarnya. Kalau Switch ikutkan dia boleh jadi ke sini, direct channel. Sebab company own the retail store kan. Sekejap bila tukar kan. Okay, yang Switch ni I think dia boleh pergi kepada yang atas ni. Okay, dia pergi ke atas yang ni. Okay, nombor 3 sini Okay, bila tambah sikit satu, so you all boleh betulkan. Okay, so sekali medium lah tambah sikit kat sini kan. Pandailah korang. Okay, something like that. Okay, right. So from here, we are very clear what is the difference between direct channel and also indirect channel. Okay, next. Okay, so yang ni another objective about what are the, you learn about the specializations and divisions of labor. Okay, in a marketing channel structure ni, dia ada beberapa elemen yang kita kena belajar lagi lah. For example, macam selalu keluar untuk exam specialization and divisions of labor. Okay, maksud dia adalah breaking down of complex distribution tasks into a smaller, simpler ones and allocating them to parties who are specialists at performing them. Okay, in a simple words, maksud dia adalah manufacturer will allocate among the group of workers so that each worker specialize in performing only a one operation or one task at the same times and then can increase the output result rather than when the same numbers of the workers individually perform all the operation or task. So maksud dia adalah kat sini maksud dia kat sini kalau macam kat sini in terms of the productions, dia bagi examples of the electric guitar manufacturer. Okay, dekat dalam ni dia ada 8 task. Okay, daripada thicknessing the wood sampailah kepada installing the electronic component, attachments, the machine head and string, adjusting the actions and also pick up. So maknanya worker satu ni, dia punya kerja yang ni. Worker nombor 2, kerja dia yang ni. So di dalam specialization and divisions of labor ni, dia punya konsep adalah setiap worker dia akan ada satu task. Bukannya satu worker dia buat semua task ni. That we call as a specialization and division in labor. This one is under production. Okay, so when we apply to the distribution task, di dalam distribution task ni kita ada 7 task. For example, buying, selling, transferring the title, transportation, storage, processing order and also providing information. So all the channel members here, diorang ni memiliki setiap task yang berbeza. Adakah manufacturer akan storage, akan proses, akan providing information juga ke? Tak ada. Maybe orang lain. Okay, maybe channel members yang lain. Agent, adakah dia akan dapat transferring the title? No. They do not take place the transferring the title sebab agent tak beli produk, dia hanya menjadi a third party to sell the product. Okay, adakah agent involved with the transportation? No. So means that different individual under channel members here, they have a different task allocate for them. Okay, not all these tasks for one channel members. No. So is it okay guys? Result dia adalah apa benda, kenapa kita kena belajar subtopik ni? Sebabnya kan dia nak tengok Okay, apakah dia punya outcomes apabila setiap channel members ni dia perform for the individual task rather than one channel members dia buat semua task. Okay, so dia punya outcome, dia punya outputs for this subtopic adalah higher distribution efficiency. So means that apabila setiap members ni dia perform their own task, okay, dia punya outcome dia akan jadi more effective, more efficient, maybe increase the numbers of the sales and etc. So is it okay guys?
Okey lagi.
Okay lagi Okay, kita sambung The second ones we learn about the contactual efficiency. Okay, contactual ni ialah contact. Okay, referring to the numbers of the reduction numbers of the intermediaries and optimization the numbers of the exchange contact. Okay, contactual ni maksud dia lah contact dekat sini. Needed to complete the transaction. Okay, in a simple words. Okay, contact ni adalah apabila manufacturer ni, which one is the better? This one, the first diagram or the second diagram? Okay, look at the numbers of the contact. Which one is the more higher? The second one or the the first one or the second one?
First one.
Okay. Kan dia ada 16 contacts. Okay, apa beza dia? Di antara this contact on this picture and also this picture. What the difference?
Dia tak ada macam orang tengah-tengah.
Dia tak ada orang tengah, betul tak? Wholesaler. Tengok the first picture ni manufacturer dia contact directly to the retailers. Okay, so means that they are no longer needed the wholesaler. Okay, kalau melibatkan orang tengah ni dia akan macam makan masa, dia tak boleh contact directly, maybe information dia miscommunications, okay, and etc. Okay, so bila kita buang wholesaler kat sini, kita akan achieve efficiency in terms of the contactual. Okay, itu maksud dia lah. Itu dah dia nak bagi tahu yang tu je lah sebenarnya. Okay, contactual efficiency. How channel members added the value. Okay, look at kalau manufacturer dia sell the product directly to the customer, dia punya so means that kat sini, the numbers of the contact without the distributor here is a 9. Kalau with the distributor, as the second graph, the second picture kat sini, dia akan jadi 6 contact saja. Okay, so which one is much more effective? Okay, the more effective when you are reducing the numbers of the channel members. Yang tu maka berlakulah contact efficiency. Yang tu you kena ingat. Okay, so the next one, we learn about the efficiency in the sorting process. Okay, so they involve two activities. First is a breaking bulk. The second one is a creating assortments. Okay, breaking bulks ni kat sini ada referring to the process where the intermediaries break the large quantity of the product produced by the manufacturer down into a smaller quantities required by the customer. Breaking bulk ni maksud dia adalah apabila manufacturer ni dia dah beli banyak, dia beli in bulk kan. Sebabnya kita tahu kalau macam intermediaries, wholesaler dan retailer ni, adakah diorang akan beli kuantiti yang sedikit daripada manufacturer? Tak. Mereka akan buy in bulk. Okay, they will buy the product in bulk because manufacturer can give a certain discount to the intermediaries. Okay, and so that's reason why breaking bulk is a very important for the processing in order to sort the product. Kan bila kita dah beli produk in bulk, kita beli produk satu produk, kita tengok satu benda je. Contohnya macam kita beli shampoo. Okay, so contohnya macam manufacturer ni dia are not only producing brands of the shampoo, tapi ada beberapa jenis, contohnya ada 4 jenis. So bila kita dah beli secara in bulk, macam mana kita nak sorting kita punya produk tersebut? Okay, so normally intermediaries ni dia akan sort produk secara dalam in a small quantity. So bila dalam small quantity is easy for dia punya proses in the end tu untuk pick the product and sell the product to the end user. Okay, itu maksud dia breaking the bulk. Okay, next is a creating assortment. Okay, creating assortment is a referring to assortments ni ialah pelbagai jenis kan. Okay, apabila intermediaries dah buy the product in bulk, okay, normally macam retailers dia akan sort produk yang dia beli berdasarkan jenis-jenis ataupun kategori atau produk. For example, macam perasan tak kalau kita pergi kat retailers tu, kita ada one section instant noodle, one section shampoo, one section for the shower gel. That we call as a creating assortment. Okay. Okay, the next one is facilitating the searching process. Okay, so facilitating the searching process ni maksud dia adalah the present intermediaries allow the manufacturers and the consumer to exchange information needed for the each parties. So facilitating ni maksud dia memudahkan proses untuk mencari information di antara the channel members. Tu maksud dia tau sebenarnya. Okay, for example here, if the company want to make a new sneakers, so normally how the company they get information, they will get information for the intermediaries. For example, kedai kasut, okay, shoe store, okay. So dia akan dapatkan all the information for the shoe store because for example macam Alif Ihsan, okay. So possibility the salesperson they know directly what the customer wants in terms of the colours, style, okay, preferred by the customers. So from there, okay, maybe lah company dia akan approach salah satu kedai kasut ni, dia akan conduct some market research by asking people to filling out the survey. Okay, so from there company can get what are the informations, okay, needed for them to make a new sneakers, okay, based on the customer preferences. That's how they exchange the informations, okay, under the facilitating searching process. Okay, next. Okay, so we have done this one. Is it okay, guys? So far okay lagi
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam sambung Okay, channel structured versus ancillary structured. Okay, ancillary ni, Mira tak suka guna perkataan ni. So normally we known them as a facilitating agency. Okay, so this will be the last slide. Okay, what is the, okay, channel structured ni, you perasan tak? Channel structured ni they are very different, which is kalau kita tengok channel structured dia refer kepada yang ni. This one we call as a channel structured. Manufacturer, agent, wholesaler, retailer and also consumer. Okay, this is we call as a channel structured. But facilitating agencies here, they referring to, okay, a group of institution that assist the channel members in a performing distribution task. Maksudnya adalah ada satu lagi group ataupun institusi yang membantu channel members ni untuk performing a certain task. For examples, okay, task dia adalah facilitating agencies, for example macam transportation company, warehouses, public warehouses company, insurance company, bank, advertising company, maybe marketing research and etc. So all these agency membantu channel members untuk perform the channel members activities. Okay, kenapa Median cakap facilitating agency contohnya macam transportation company. Okay, cuci tengok contohnya macam retailers. Okay, contohnya macam retailers ke wholesalers ke kan. Ada tak, perlu tak, kalau macam diorang tak ada logistik department, okay, diorang kan outsource juga kan transportation services. Okay, maybe dia akan hire Tionam company as their transportation company to collaborate, okay, to transport their product from company to the customer. Okay, second example is, you know what is a Tionam, guys?
Tahu.
Tionam tahu kan? Tahu tak apa Tionam tu buat sebenarnya? Tionam tu kan sebenarnya, ada siapa knows what is a Tionam?
Tionam tu yang logistik tu kan?
Yang macam mana tu? Apa yang
Dia-
kau boleh buat lagi?
Hah?
Yang trailer dia warna oren, madam.
Yeah, thank you so much. Betul Tionam, itulah dia Tionam.
Sebut lah dia ni.
Diam lah kau.
Jam gaduh belum puasa
Saya nak
Sabar
jawab
sini.
dulu tadi.
Okay. Dalam kelas boleh bergaduh, okay? Nanti lepas kelas nanti kita bergaduh. Nanti jangan buat keraya dalam kelas.
Baik, madam.
Okay, right. Thank you. Okay, transportation company, contoh macam Tionam tadi Meja bagi tahu kan. Tionam ni they are not only offering the logistic services to the company. Okay, untuk transporting product one place to another place kan, tapi dia offering a public warehouse. Perasan tak Tionam ni, you perasan kalau sesiapa yang pernah pergi Tionam ni, you akan nampak satu kontainer oren yang besar ataupun satu kontainer dekat dorang punya dekat Tionam company tu itself. Pernah nampak tak yang pak segi besar kontainer? Alah, korang tengok cerita drama-drama
Tahu.
ni kan. Okay, this one di mana Cionam ni diorang akan ada banyak that kinds of the tak tahulah, Medu tak tahu nak panggil dia sebagai apa tapi itu adalah tempat penyimpanan barang-barang untuk setiap company. Contohnya kan, some of the company they do not have their warehouses. They do not have any warehouse. So apa dia buat adalah dia pergi telefon Tionam, dia bagi tahu ada tak lagi tempat untuk kita sewa untuk letak barang kita tak ada warehouse lah. Boleh. So nanti dekat mana tahu dia simpankan barang-barang awak tu dekat dalam kotak pak segi itulah. Medan tak tahulah apa nama tu. Is it container? Kind of the container lah kan? Okay, so kargo?
Tak.
Media assume as a container lah kot sebab dia macam pak segi Okay, so dia akan simpan barang-barang awak tu di dalam container tersebut. So every month company kena pay a certain amount lah untuk meletakkan produk dalam container tersebut. Okay, so itu we call as the public warehouses. Adakah dia membantu facilitating ni in Malay maksud dia adalah pemudah cara. Apakah agensi yang memudah cara kepada channel members untuk memudahkan channel members ni perform their activities. Inilah dia di antaranya. Tionam. Okay, insurance company of course. Okay, kalau tak ada insurance company macam mana dia nak cover certain macam accidents, breaking goods and etc. kan. So insurance company is a part of the facilitating agency. Okay, bank pun sangat penting kan. Without a bank, macam mana diorang nak buat loan dan sebagainya kan. Okay, is it they need the channel advertising agency guys? Guys, last question. Is it channel members needed the advertising agencies to help them?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, even though tak kisahlah offline promotion or online promotion. If they go for the online promotion, dia akan pergilah kepada company yang offering services macam Boomstack company, dia offering the online services. Okay, dia tolong buatkan poster lah, tolong buatkan poster dekat IG lah, buat video lah dan sebagainya. That one is a part of the advertising agency. When the channel members do not have that kinds of the department on their company. Okay, that's how these channel members help them to perform the channel members tasks. So is it okay guys?
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam rasa dah korang ni sekarang pukul apa dah? Madam tengok sikit. Baru pukul 3.30. Takkanlah dah boleh lega ke bazar belum lagi
Dah kat bazar, madam. Dah kat bazar.
My god. Azim, is it you?
Ada.
You nak pergi kat bazar, you buat apa?
Cek je tempat aku memang tu.
Ingatkan awak pergi menjual air kat situ tak ada
Tak ada.
Mana tahu buat part time belum puasanya kan. Nak cari duit pasal kan. Okay, so we have done chapter 1. So far chapter 1 is a very easy to understand. Okay, so if you notice that nanti dekat bawah-bawah ni kita akan buat sedikit yang ni okay, kita tengok sikit lah soalan dia kita tengok kan. Okay, question 1 is what are the significant factors that contribute to the development of the channel members? 4 key point yang atas sekali tu yang kita belajar awal tadi tu. Tu jawapan dia. Okay, next questions dia. Facilitating agencies. Ini yang bawah yang tadi tu. Business firms that assist in the performance of the distribution task. other than buying, selling and also transferring title. Okay, elaborate with the appropriate example the functions of any types of the facilitating agency dekat sini. Contohnya, kalau macam you ambil 3, contohnya you ambil logistik. Apakah function logistik kepada company? Yang tu kan sebenarnya soalannya adalah KBKK. Okay, contohnya macam advertising company. You ambil satu advertising company. Okay, apakah functions advertising company kepada channel members? Kalau you ambil T6 logistik company, what are the functions of the logistic departments, logistic company to the channel members? Yang ni memang nak tak nak you kena fikir sikit lah. Okay, next, what are the 2 activities involved in the sorting process? Okay, jawapan dia yang ni. Ni. Breaking bulk and also creating assortment. Tu jawapan dia. Okay, so ni ya. Channel structure is a group of the channel members that perform a set of the distribution tasks to accomplish the firm distribution objective. Using the diagram, describe the 2, 3 level, 4 level lah. Ini yang dah tunjuk kat atas tu lah, boleh tengok nanti. Okay, next question. Explain marketing channel as a system. Nampak 10 markah. Tengok balik apa key point kat atas tu. Okay, next question is, okay, explain 4 possible factors which account for the growing emphasis on the marketing channel. Yang ni yang 4 yang atas sekali tu. Okay, yang Madam bagi tahu tadi tu sampai, yang ada 4 yang atas tu, yang awal tadi tu. Okay, next is the, okay, briefly is, okay, economic consideration are very important in determining whether activities will appear in the marketing channel. Okay, there are the 2 basic factors, specializations, divisions of labor and also contractual efficiency. Okay, we example briefly explain these 2 concepts. Okay, you tengok kat atas tadi. Okay, next is explain the concept of the breaking bulk in the marketing. Tengok kat atas tadi tu. Okay, that's it. So rasanya Madam dah cover everything on the chapter 1 dan chapter 1 is very important. Any question guys?
Tak ada.
Okay, rasanya kan bila kita membuat kelas secara online ni, Madam hanya mengajar sejam saja sebenarnya. Okay, so far there is no question. So next week, during tutorial class, Madam akan explain more detail untuk you all punya assignment nombor 2. At least you have some progress. Okay, memang ada macam lambat nak hantar tapi since kita dah belajar untuk chapter 1 tu, dia dah memberi at least you have some ideas. Okay, what are the things that you are going to do and you can breaking your task among the among the group members. So is it okay guys? Lepas Madam dah habis explain untuk yang number 2 tu, lepas raya Madam akan explain nombor 3 pula. Okay, group assignments. Mesti tak sabar kan sebab apa? Next week will be the last class before you are going to raya. Betul?
Betul.
Okay guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much yang dah berada di bazar, terutamanya Hazim. Carilah makanan yang apa orang nak cari. Mari ucapkan selamat berbuka puasa hari ni. That's it guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you Madam. Happy Iftar.
Okay, thank you.
Madam,
Boy, Azim.
Bye.
Boy, Azim, boy.
Terima kasih Madam.
Madam,
Okay,
kita
bye.
ada final test ke final exam?
Ayo, korang ni kan dah tak adalah final exam, final test je.
Alhamdulillah. Tadi Madam cakap final exam.
Tak, tu soalan final exam yang lepas-lepas.
Oh, okay. Terima
Okay,
kasih.
bye.